Hey guys, another day on the Polara. Today what we're going to do is take out the radiator. We've got to fix this bracket here. As you can see, it's come away. Not sure whether I'm going to solder it or use some Tiger Seal, because that tends to stick like shit to a blanket basically. Yeah, going to take that out, and we've also got some new headlights. We're going to get rid of these dull sill beam units, and we've got some halogen bulbs, etc. units to put in. So yeah, that's what we're going to do today. Sorted, George. Right, first things first, let's undo that Jubilee clip and let the water out, shall we? That should be enough. Get that out of the way. Here we go. Right, let's let that drain. And we're still going. I don't want to just take the pipe right off because it will just gush out. This is why I'm doing it gently like this. We'll get there. Right, just undone that one. Slide you out the way. And I noticed that this was a bit on the sticky. Here we go. That's lovely. That's got you moving. There you go. Right. You can stay there. That's that fine. Sorted. Right. Transmission cooler lines. Let's go down and have some fun with that, shall we? Right. We should have a 5/8 and a 1/2 inch. So 1/2 inch on that inner one. Right. Right, that's one. Sorted, George. Lovely. Right, let's go and do the other one. Right, that's both the transmission cooler lines off. Now let's take the rad out. This is a 7/16.
Not that you're going to want to see all of this, so I will fast forward it.
That's completely off on that side. There you go. That's why she was sat at a funny angle. Completely broke off.
So, let's get this side off. I'll just undo this one. Shit, well, just lift now. Look at that side. Sit there for a minute. There we go.
And she's free. What I've done, I've just put some old gloves over the end of the transmission cooler pipes, just so that they don't, drip out on the floor. Yeah. And I thought, well, seeing as we're here, we'll have a look at the condition of the brake fluid, shall we? See what it's like. Get ready for a shock. Let's bring you in closer. Not too bad. bit brown, I know, but I have had far worse, I can tell you. Wow, actually that's not too bad. I mean, I'm going to give it a change. Obviously give the brakes a bleed, but could have been a lot worse. Could have been a lot worse, I must admit. Let's just clean that up a bit around that edge and put that back. Sorted. That's I've just cleaned up around the edges, and I've just cleaned this up, so it's not going to go back with any contaminants on it, so that's good. So right, sorted, George. Right, it's given all that lot of clean up. The inside's done as well, so that's all on there. Poke through, put that on. And there we go. Turn this up. That's on there. Ain't going nowhere. Sorted, George. Lovely. Right, next we're going to do the headlights. We've got the screw buried deep down in there, and then one up in that top corner, and obviously for this one, same again, down there, and then up there. So we've got to take this case off, and by the looks of it, we've got to take that ring off as well. So, right, same again for the other side, obviously. Right, let's get to it, shall we? Right, bottom first. Yes, I don't have a screwdriver. Okay. There you go. Is that one and that one? Lovely. That's that. So now, bring in. Now all we got to do is loosen that one there, and then there's that one there, and the one up the top as well, and then just twist that, and the headlight will just fall out. Sorted, George. Lovely. Right, on there. I'm doing another. I've got to get myself some screwdrivers over here. Hey. There you go, that's better. Right, there's your ring. You sit there. And there she be. Sorted, George. Lovely. Just like that. One sealed unit. Crap. Right, there you go. Sorted, George. That's this side done anyway. Now, what I've done, as you can see, the bulbs in there. Yeah, it's lovely, brilliant. Now on the back, what we've got here, this one is a treble socket, which will fit straight over. But unfortunately, this one here is, well, it's a double. You've got one terminal here, and then the earth is here, which you can probably see is lower, and all you've got on this one is a double. Okay, now you can put the live onto that, if I can get to it. That will fit on there, but as you can see, we are too low, or too high rather, for the earth. So what I've got to do at some point is make two tails, two male and female tails, so that they can slide in, and that way then I haven't got to cut this thing, as it were, and I'll just run one wire from there and in, and then another wire from there and in, and that way then also we can have the rubber that there. Right, let's crack on. Right, and that's the other side done. Job done, sorted. Both of them are in. Like I said to you earlier, it's the same as here. The that one's got the rubber one. I haven't put it on yet because of obviously the tail will only go to there, and it's too high for the earth. So I should make two little separate tails. One for the live, one for the earth. And then obviously that'll work nicely, and then I can put the rubber cap over that side, just the same as I can on this side. So, right, that's it. Job done. Sorted, George. Laters. Hey guys and girls, just a last quick one. Just want to say thank you very much indeed for everybody that's tuned in to watch the channel. It's been a great year with the olds and obviously now the new Polara. It's Christmas Eve, and from Sarah and myself, happy Christmas and all the best for 2020. God bless, take care.